Hello Casström fans, this is Johan from Nordic Bushcraft. I'm out here today in the glorious springtime, almost springtime woods. Sun seems to shine a bit today. It's quite cold still, but the weather is good. I know it's a bit difficult times for many of us people that this corona shit is just disturbing our good times. We can't meet around the campfires at the moment and we are a bit isolated. So I thought this would be a great way to show you some tips and tricks about the Casström knives that I like, and one trick I particularly like I've stolen or taken from Lars Feldt's latest book about the knife, and it's with his own knife, the Lars Feldt knife. I have this dangler with a carabiner. This is a very good way of carrying your knife because it easily detaches from the ladder, which means you can take it off when you're maybe traveling to or from the woods, which is good. But sometimes we don't want to take off the knife completely. We want to keep it near because we might have to use it now and then, or we don't want to show it too much. Or for me, sometimes when I on courses, the knife goes up and down like a JoJo. I need to take it out, make a few cuts to show people, and it just constantly, and digging down here maybe with jackets or layers on becomes uncomfortable and disturbing many times, and it's so in Lars Feldt's latest book about the knife, he recommends to have a bit of string, but he uses a leather piece of leather which might be more comfortable. I used a paracord, and it's so simple really, because with the two loops you just connect into the carabiner like so, and you have an easy, good way of carrying your knife around your neck. So like this, very simple. I can easily attach it back to my belt if I want to, or I can keep it around my neck, or just remove it completely. This has also become a little way of hanging up a knife on a hook when I get home, so it's not laying around. I know exactly where it is, even at home, on a particular little hook. So thank you for watching, and stay sharp, Casström fans. We'll see you on the other side.